All right, welcome to Trombones and Trumpets. This is number 49 of Tradition of Excellence, and now our eighth notes are on beat 2. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Keep those quarter notes nice and connected, legato playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. With those quarter notes, don't let them get choppy. Is not what we're looking for. So here we go, 49. All right, number 50. And eighth notes on the edge, number 51. Eighth notes are in the beginning now. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Moment to think about counting. I prefer the system 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, but there are multiple systems out there. If you have your own that you use that works with you and your teacher, stick with it. Just be consistent. 2, 3. Now let me fly. 52. 2. All right, sight reading challenge number 53. You're missing the bar lines in here, so you would take your pencil, always write in pencil in case you make a mistake, and you would put your bar lines in. 1, 2, 3. Number 54, Brio con Brio. This is a test. 1, 2, and 3.